In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated stickers in Canva for social media and messaging apps. These are perfect for adding personality to your posts and messages, and you can make them in just a few minutes, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Go to Create a Design, then choose Sticker with a 500 by 500 pixel canvas. If you don't see that option, a custom square size works just as well. A square format keeps the sticker compact and easy to use across different platforms. Keep the background simple or leave it blank to really make your sticker pop. Now add the element you want to animate. Use the search bar to find an illustration, icon, or image, like a cartoon cat, an emoji, or a simple badge. Choose something bold and clear so it reads well at small sizes. You can scale it up or down and center it on the canvas. If you're using multiple pieces, keep it minimal so the animation remains smooth and easy to see. It's time to animate. Click the element, then select Animate. You'll see styles like bounce, pan, fade, or drift. Hover to preview each one and pick the mood that fits your sticker. Bounce feels playful, pan adds gentle motion. Fade is subtle and clean, and drift gives a floating effect. Choose one that enhances the design without being too distracting. Adjust the animation settings to polish the loop. Tweak the duration to control speed. Shorter is snappier, longer feels calmer. Set direction or timing if those options appear, and aim for a loop that starts and ends naturally. Play your sticker a few times to make sure it cycles smoothly and doesn't feel jerky. When you're happy, download your sticker. Click Share, then Download, and select your file type. GIF is great for lightweight, looping stickers and is widely supported. MP4 works well when platforms prefer video or if you want slightly smoother motion. Keep the clip short so it loads quickly and looks crisp on mobile. Finally, use your animated sticker wherever you like. Upload it to Instagram, Telegram, or any platform that supports GIFs or short animations. Drop it into stories, replies, or chats to add a fun, animated touch with just a tap. And that's how you create fun animated stickers in Canva. Quick, easy, and perfect for sharing any